guys, my name is Shreya and I'm actually the volunteer working with STEAM workshops for the summer. And hopefully I'm as excited as you are because there's so many things we have planned to keep you engaged.
Hello, my name is Varun and I am another volunteer at the Summer STEAM Workshops. We have many fun assignments lined up for you that will help reinforce the teaching of the workshops, as well as teach you essential STEAM skills.
Hi there, my name is Kosheen and I'm a volunteer associated with CKSTEM's Summer STEAM Workshops. Join us for an engaging and awesome summer where you can learn critical skills and do really fun and amazing projects.